Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to do a layout for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches, and I am on day 21, and I think, yes, we are. We're on round 9, which is amazing. So I'm going to work with a sketch that was created by Rebecca Lockhart, and I don't know how to pronounce the next last name, which is Dykeman. Not sure. So let's take a look-see. It's a really cool sketch. Photos, title here, hexy, or a repeating shape or whatever. And then there's clusters of florals or repeating shape. This is the way I'm looking at it. I don't know. Do you like the idea of the hexies? Because I have hexy punch, but I also have a new punch. I'm looking at it going, maybe I'll do this. Although oh wait, I haven't used my huge hexy punch either. These are both newer punches in my world. So I'm like, maybe I'll come in with that. That would be fun. I do love a good hexy, but there are lots of florals. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay. So I am using a ScrapRoom kit from September 2021. It is Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. So let's take a look. I've got most of the sticker sheet still, but I did use bits. I've got scraps on scraps, which would be really good for the hexies. That's always a good thing. I do have one black cardstock, which is an interesting idea because I could get all those hexy pieces on. They'll probably pop really nicely. And then I can still use these bits for layering. So I have that. Oh, don't know why this one's to the side. I also have this one. Let's see. Okay, this one's called Sunshine and Lemonade. I've used this side before, so I have that. The scraps are scraps, and then this is called Sweet Life. This is Happy Thoughts, and then, oh, but wait, I have more from my kit stuff left. I have got foamies, I've got some die cuts, and then some extra little goodies, and these extra little goodies are the twofer that I'm doing. These are for Build a Page. So I've got some extra alphas. I've got a washi that was in a previous ScrapRoom kit. Scrap and Happy Studio Flair. Oh, and Felicity Jane alpha. So I do have some extra goodies if I need them. I'm going to start here and then use them if I have to pull them in because I am trying to kill off my kits, right? And I've got this cute little black and white photo of my oldest daughter, Shay. It looks like she is in her car, and yeah, she sends the cutest little pics. So I have that for a photo. So I either have to pick the black for my background or one of these three. I'm thinking the black just because the hexies will really pop. So I'm going to pop out all kinds of hexies. I'm going to frame my photo roughly a bazillion times and come up. Oh, I like the word sunshine. So maybe it could be You Are Sunshine, although Happy Sunshine's also very cute. I don't know. I'll come up with the title, all that kind of stuff. I'll be back in a minute. I have some traction. I did end up using my yellow pattern paper as a mat and scuffed up the edges on everything so far. I matted my photo with tons and tons of scraps, and I love it. I will pop that up on some foam in a minute. Now, I have kind of a design, but I'm not going to leave all of it here because I will have my daughter's photo like covering a couple of them. So whatever is being covered, I'll just snatch out and see if I can place somewhere else. But I thought I'd show you that I'm about to attach these goodies down, pop this up on some foam tape, and then we get to do the decorative bits. So I've got these pieces down. I'm trying to come up with my title, and somehow my hexies kind of went up and down. I didn't even plan on that. So my title will be She is Sunshine. And in our inspiration piece, the title is kind of here-ish. So maybe I will put some foam on it and have it be half on, half off. I think that would be fun. Foam on the foam. At least it's going to be black, so maybe you won't see it as much. We'll do that. So on this part, let's go ahead and foam the foam. And I will have it right there. And then we'll do the she is up here somewhere. I think it'd be so cute. And yes, I know that my letters are flopping about, but we will get there. They might need to be on. Are they, I'm trying to see if it's sturdy enough. Oh, it is. Okay, so we have that. I'm gonna have to glue on the she is just because, yeah, the stickers don't want to stick that well. Let's see. I've been using this glue lately. It has a nice fine tip. So I have that. So I can put my Felicity Jane little goodies away. That's part of my fun Build-A-Page part. And I also, I mean, look at these pieces, these foamy bits. And our sketch has lots and lots of florals. So I think I will loosely put this down. Oh, I like that. So I'm going to loosely put down a couple of the florals and try to build around them. All right, I like that so far. I don't know, I just want to see it. And then there's going to be lots of like these little hearts and bits that we can sprinkle on. Okay, let me get that glued on. I'm going to build some of my clusters up and I'll be back in a minute. I started building some things and I'm liking, I've barely done anything. I put a couple little flowers in, but I just love the clustering of these goodies. This little piece is one of those pieces that's like done for you. You do a little something on it, it looks great. Now everything's clustered here and my She Is Sunshine looks like it's flopped way out there and I'm like, I don't know. I almost feel like it needs to be moved over here, but I don't know if I can do that without ripping everything up. And the fact that I've glued down my other alphas might be a problem. So I'm gonna see how forgiving. Oh, it wants to be nice to me. Okay. So let's take this piece off. It just felt like it was flopping off in the distance, like something wasn't feeling right. So if I do that, and I have Sunshine up there, let's hurry up and get these bits. So I'm gonna have the She Is Sunshine, and it's all gonna be clustered right here. Okay, I like that so much more. All right, I'm gonna keep playing along. I'll be back in a minute. So guys, this Simple Stories collection and the sketch combined is just like boom, boom, boom. Layout is done. I'm having way too much fun with it. So I have all these butterflies. I've got floral bits. I did pull aside all these lemon bits for another layout just because I'm not lemoning. Because, you know, that's a word. Now I wanted to go in and get these Scrap and Happy Studio little bits because I need like, you know, like a different kind of something, and I want some shine on here. So I've got black, I've got yellow, and I think the deep turquoise would be a good color. Okay, so I'm gonna get them on. I also have a thing for tickets. Let me put these little guys to the side. And there's some of the cutest little tickets, and I'm wondering, do I even have room for any of them? I have no idea. Look, it says Sweetie and Kind Heart on them. How cute. I don't know how. See, like, I just keep putting more and more on because I like it too much. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I like them there. All right. And I love this piece. Maybe I can sneak in tickets over here. I want it a piece on a piece on a piece. Okay, so cute. All right, so I got some of my tickets on. That makes me happy. I need to get my little flare popped in. I also have some enamel dots and some washi, but I don't know on this one that I need to bring in washi. No, actually I don't, so that's cool. I will have enamel dots in a minute as well, so I'll come back and when I'm ready to pop some of the enamel dots on, we'll finish this up together. So I am pretty darn yippee skippy, so I have these pieces of enamel dots from Cocoa Vanilla Legendary, and when I was building my Build-A-Page kit, I thought they would go very nicely. So let's see, let's get a little bit of this charcoal color in, probably a brighter white, because I know you can't see the charcoal much, but I do like it still. I like the little something something going on. Do not mind a tone-on-tone vibe, that is for sure. So I'll come in with, I don't know, don't really want to do, well, I'll do white again right here. And then maybe a little bit bigger of one of those, and then a nice teal again, and then one more maybe, do we go here? I have here, here. In theory, I think I'm gonna go right up here. So I will do tone on tone with this tealy bit, a smaller white, and then a little charcoal. And that, my friends, will be that for both Christy's Beautiful Life and Build-A-Page. I had lots of fun playing with it. I think it was a riot. And what else? Oh, I'll be back tomorrow with another Build-A-Page layout as well as Christy's Beautiful Life. So I will see you guys then. Still shots in a moment. Bye for now.